Today, I'll be exploring some of the big box stores here in Albany, located in southwest Georgia, searching for the Christmas displays and decorations that spark our traditions, bring back childhood memories, and carry the stories we associate with the holiday season. I am Danny, and welcome to my channel, Dannovator, where my experiences become your adventure. If you like unique and unusual, then you came to the right place. Remember to please subscribe, and please hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. I start off at the Albany Mall. Certainly, there's an array of Christmas decorations within. I'm greeted by two happy snowmen. And to my surprise, there's even an elf, not on a shelf, but on a train. Around the corner, I found these two grazing reindeer. You both better watch it, because South Georgia is blessed with some amazing deer hunters. Located at the mall's central food court is where Santa will be greeting exciting children, or maybe a few scared children. I was excited to see some of my childhood Christmas friends, the cast of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Here's the misfit elf Hermie, Prospector Yukon Cornelius, and Bumble, the abominable snow monster. My next stop, Sam's Club. This blinking Christmas tree was like a lighthouse, illuminating the way to the store's colorful decorations, which included another one of my favorite Christmas friends, Frosty the Snowman, who is obviously tougher than nails for not melting in the hot Georgia sun. And take a look at these two nutcrackers. Yeah, I had to strike a pose by them. With a little sunlight remaining for the day, I arrive at Target. All the way in the back corner is the store's Christmas decorations, which is dominated by a few Christmas trees. The stockings were hung on the wall with care in hopes that a customer would buy a few pair. And if you don't, then you'll just have to answer to these elves on these shelves. Target is a great place to buy your candy canes, your hot cocoa mix, and kits to create your own gingerbread villages. And to keep your villages from being attacked by your dog or cat, there's even Christmas toys that will keep them amused. By the time I reached Walmart, it was night. They had plenty of shelf decorations, including these inflatables that were looking down on the row of Christmas trees. And of course, I had to stop and play with some of the battery-powered miniatures. Here's an LED projector. Santa kicking back and looking over his list twice.
The house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse.
And these three animated cardinals. Just two more stops. Home Depot usually has some animatronics. At its entrance are these poinsettias, or more appropriately, poinsettias. And also near the entrance are the Christmas decorations. Olaf is featured in the Disney Frozen movie. Next to him is Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy reading a Christmas story. I also found a collection of Santas, a Grinch, and an assortment of trees. I am hoping that the last stop, Lowe's, will provide us with a more wow factor. I can see quite the assortment of animatronics, starting with the Grinch, his dog Max, and Cindy Lou. The Grinch once said no to Christmas, but Cindy Lou was able to change his mind. Someone give this man a hand with all these presents. Jack Skellington looks ready for Christmas. Our adventure comes to a close here at Lowe's with a Rudolph display that mirrors the one we saw at the start. Christmas decorations like these let us celebrate our traditions and revisit the stories that brought joy to our holidays. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my video today. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And always remember, your adventure awaits with the Dannovator. I'll see y'all next time.
Someday, I'd like to be a dentist. I just don't like to make toys.